Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Vivofit 3 tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you two ways to perform resets on your watch. The first method will just be a soft reset in case your device gets locked up and it's not responding. This will not cause any data loss. And the second method will be a hard reset that will factory reset the device, removing all data and user settings. To perform the soft reset, all we need to do is hold down the button on the right side for 15 seconds. So as you can see, it's turned off. Now we'll just turn it right back on by just holding the button down here for a couple seconds. To perform a hard reset, we need to do a long press on the watch face, then scroll down to settings, then scroll all the way down to system. In system, scroll down until you see reset. First option in here is reset default settings. This will leave the data, but it will reset all the settings to factory. And then the second will be a hard reset of deleting all the data and then also the user settings. So we'll go ahead and do that. As you can see, once it's completed resetting, it's just like when you first got it out of the box. So those are two ways to perform a reset on your Garmin Vivoactive 3. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Vivoactive 3 or Vivoactive 3 Music Edition tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.